Is AI gonna replace us all? Probably. But let's have some fun first.
Today we're gonna be looking at Udio. This generator supposedly can replace musicians and composers alike, but can it?
And if it can, watch out, Bon Jovi. So here's what we thought might be fun.
We'll be looking around the room and just choosing random objects that we see that we can make into a prompt.
If you went to Bon Jovi and said, Bon, you gotta write a song about a Psyduck on a shelf holding a berry, you think Bon would do it? But AI isn't Bon. Shall I do the honors?
There's Psyduck perched, he's holding on tight. A berry red, he's grasping through the night. Eyes so wide, reflects the room's light. He dreams too, in his own quiet mind.
First thoughts?
You know what? Did it say anything about the shelf? It didn't say anything about a shelf, so you lose points.
I mean, it is another way to say you're on a shelf, you're perched up high. It alludes to it, I guess.
Bon Jovi wouldn't have made this mistake.
So we're gonna try another prompt.
What's next?
Let's look around,
Your cat licking his testicles.
Yeah, that could work. What type of music?
Barbershop quartet.
Okay, we're gonna do barbershop quartet.
Oh my god, it's called Oliver's Calm Delight. Me and the missus, we do enjoy our occasional calm delight.
Oliver the cat with fur so neat, licking his testicles, calm and discreet. YouTubers in sight, making vids so bright. Content creators, but Oliver's the delight. So he sings to
That was fantastic. It hit everything, didn't it?
It did. I don't know, it's that thriller level for me, to be quite honest.
Yeah. Next one is Oliver's Prowl.
He's got no time to spare to YouTubers are filming. He's licking without a care.
This is beautiful.
He's sitting on a windowsill enjoying what he's found while they're making content.
That was some real interpretive art, let me tell you. But it was so subtle
Of him licking his balls.
about his balls, yeah.
It's a
What do you
nice
think?
juxtaposition in comparison to the barbershop quartet.
It was like licking his balls, licking his balls. He was just licking his balls. Compared to that, this was a lot more subtle.
I think I like the first one better.
Me too.
What does that say about us? Should we try one more prompt?
One more prompt. Your cat seems to have perched upon some binders of Magic the Gathering cards.
Yes, my Magic the Gathering collection.
Oliver's Showtime.
on my MTG.
Ooh, they know the acronym.
Yep.
Oliver gets hype when YouTubers start the show. Paws on decks, he knows how it goes.
I like that. That's the only reason why I didn't put that in the prompt as MTG, because I was just like, how is it ever
It's
going
gonna-
to figure
yeah.
out that this is Magic the Gathering?
Exactly.
Let's listen to the first country version of the Magic the Gathering Oliver song.
It's a difficult prompt. This is the stress test.
Sitting here in
This is definitely
sunlight, little fella fur so bright, said his name, oh what a sight. On old cards with eyes of green, watching folks on the screen, a magic world, oh in between.
It's so close. It's
I know.
this far away from nailing it. This far away from getting the prompt 100% correct.
We can write our own lyrics in this and they can say specifically that, but this is
Oh.
just on...
You're saying we can write anything and it will sing it? Let's give that a spin.
All right, so we're gonna create our own custom song instead.
Yep. On 3 binders, Oliver would stand. Gray fur glistening, so fine, comma, so grand. Subo and Kara, 5 feet away, recording a video this very fine day. Oliver yawns,
while spit hits the floor.
He blinks ever so slowly.
Okay, sweet. He stands straight up for duty calls. He bends his head forward and licks his balls. I'm sorry, I'm still actually 12 years old.
And what genres are we doing? Heavy metal?
Yes.
Heavy metal?
Sure, why not? Heavy metal.
Let's see what kind of masterpiece gets generated.
Cataclysmic majesty, man. Alright, let's do it.
On 3 binders, Oliver Wood stands. Great for glistening, so fine, so grand. Subo and Kara, 5 feet away. Recording a video this very fine day. Oliver yawns slowly and spit hits the floor. He blinks ever so slowly, just like MTG lore. He stands straight up for duty calls. He bends his head forwards and licks his balls.
Yes! It did it! Yes! Alright, we have our winner, guys. That was it. That was the greatest song ever written. I don't know about you, but I think Bon Jovi still has a few more years left. Not in his life, I mean in his career. Maybe his life. I don't know how old he is. How old is he?
He's pretty
Is he up there?
That was fun. Also a little bit terrifying. When you really think about it, this is only gonna get better with time. So that's probably the most terrifying part of all of this.
But don't think about that.
If you liked this video, click that like and subscribe button. We'll see you next week with some more content to view. Stay tuned.
Also, check out our Patreon. Bye-bye!